Happy Grandparents' Day to all the grandparents. Grandparents are grand angels in the family. They carry forward the culture and the traditions from one generation to the other. They are unique and a delightful mix of wonderful stories, love and laughter. Children like to spend time with their grandparents. They like to have fun, they like to listen to their stories, they like to tell their own stories. Since they have a very special bond with their grandparents, they are very frank in expressing their needs, wants and wishes. These children wait for the Grandparents' Day to express their love and affection in a very special way. Second Sunday of September is the Grandparents' Day. This practice was started in USA in 1970. Since then, children like to express their love and gratitude to their grandparents in their own innocent and innovative ways, such as writing cards, writing poems, singing, dancing, etc. etc. It's truly a treat to the eyes and music to the ears to watch their presentations. So dear children, clap for all of you. Keep it up. Your actions, your gestures gives happiness to your grandparents. Happiness unlimited. In return, these grandparents, to pamper you, they are always liberal with their words of appreciation and blessings for you. They are never short of toffees, chocolates and cookies for you. They are showering you the blessing since the time you have come to this world. So keep it up. Dear grandparents, we are blessed to have reached to this stage. We are grandparents because of these children. We might have reached to the age group of senior citizens like in 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s and 100 also. But we are as young as our grandchildren. So dear grandparents, keep this spirit. Keep it up. Always keep the child in you alive and active. Dear grandparents, we also have the double advantage. Number one, we have the treasure of knowledge and experience gained through our journey of life. Number two, we have the support of the latest approach from our generations who are always updating their tools of technology. So let's motivate them. Let's encourage them. Always give them positive inputs. Give them the freedom and be a support at the back. Tell them we are here for you. We are here for you. They are also busy in their journey of life now. If they are working or if they do not have sufficient time, give them the support at family front also. Give them quality time, sufficient time. Monitor their daily schedule. Give them good company. Have fun with them. Innovate games with them. Play with them so that they do not miss. And make this as an opportunity to guide them, to give them good values and tell them right from the wrong. But dear parents, dear grandparents, be very careful. Be very careful when you are with them. Never ever talk negative about their parents or about their other grandparents. These children will not like it. Second, Never break their mom dad's rules secretly to gain their favor. So just be careful and always make an effort to bind the families together. Togetherness is happiness. So let's take this challenge to live up to Indian culture of joint families, happy families. Joint families, happy families. So, dear grandparents, grow old gracefully and follow that formula of no expectation, no frustration. So, grow old gracefully and of course, take care of your health. Take care of your health, eat well, do some exercises or remain active. You can do yoga or exercises as per your age group. Eat well, healthy, good diet. Take proper medicines if there is any ailment. And of course, keep in touch with your relatives, with your friends, with the social groups, these days online. And keep smiling. Keep laughing. Do not stop laughing thinking that you are old now. No. Rather, you will get old if you stop laughing. Keep smiling, keep laughing, take care of yourself. The only thing you want to save is yourself. So take care, stay safe, stay happy, keep smiling, keep laughing. God bless you all. Thank you so much. Happy Grandparents' Day to you again.